I, Hemant Lavangare, a life coach, have released a series of videos about Master My Life 11 Life Principles, which I actively practice during my seminars and courses. The purpose of this particular narration is to introduce to you a concept and mechanism of life coaching. Coaching is the art and practice of guiding a person or a group from where they are now to where they can be and want to be. Coaching is all about unlocking a person's potential to maximize their growth in their desired area. Coaching aims at transformation, unlike most of the other development avenues like training, which mainly focuses on imparting external knowledge to induce some change. Life coaching is essentially a series of powerful and intense conversations between a coach and a coachee, wherein coach uses a systematic step-by-step process involving critical questioning and active listening, enabling coachee to get clarity around what he or she actually wants, and then together developing an action plan to achieve it, followed by actively supporting coachee in overcoming any obstacles in the way to achieve his or her goals. Let us also understand, life coach is not an advisor or consultant or a therapist. Life coach is a trained, skillful and knowledgeable person with specialized tools and techniques who assist you in looking at a bigger and holistic picture and then collaborates with you in exploring specific solutions for your life. Life coach supports you, motivates you and offers you fact-based feed forward while believing in your abilities to meet the goals you have set for yourself. Now, let us dwell about the need of the life coaching. Let us examine, do you need life coaching? Let me start by asking you two core questions. Are you professionally trained in living a successful and happy life? Are you living a happy and stress-free, peaceful life? You might be a well-trained professional like an accountant or doctor or engineer, or a professional from any field, or a businessman. You might have a good acumen of your trade through formal education and specific experience. But when it comes to living your own life skillfully, you do not have a formal systematic training. What you generally do is to adopt a trial and error method and try to learn from your own mistakes and successes as well as from others. This is a very time consuming and inefficient process, and it can certainly be made much more efficient and effective with the support of a life coach. Athletes, performers, senior management people, successful entrepreneurs and smart people know that they can't do it alone. They know they need a trained professional to help them determine the best direction and to provide objective support and feedback, along with imparting them with the right process and tools and techniques. In fact, one of the main reasons behind their success is their coach. The extra edge coach provides them makes all the difference, enabling them to reach the peak. Why shouldn't you have this same advantage? The third question is, do I need a life coach now? Choosing to work with a life coach is an important decision, financially as well as mentally and effort-wise. Here are some ways to know that you need a life coach. You can examine if any of these statements is true about you as of now. I am not getting success in line with my efforts and potential. I have a vision, but I lack a detailed action plan. I am successful, but right now I am stuck and I am finding it difficult to progress further. In spite of my achievements and success, I am not happy. I am finding a major transition in my life and I am exploring the right path ahead. I am finding it difficult to decide, and even after taking decision, I am unable to implement it in the desired time frame. My relationships are at stake where they really matter. My communication and intent is often being misunderstood. I am finding it difficult to either express or manage my emotions or to understand others' emotions. I am looking for avenues to develop myself further enabling me to achieve even greater heights along with happiness and peace of mind. If any of these 10 statements is true about you, it indicates a need for life coaching now. If you are looking for any further information on life coaching, please visit my website youmeandlife.in. And in case of any further query, you can send an inquiry or write to me through my website.
You, me, and life. Let us together make this world a better place to live.